So good morning students, hope you are fine. So let's today start the next part of chapter 6. As in the last class we did the factors and then the other things, true false, fill in the blanks. Total exercise 6A was completed, and today we will proceed with exercise 6B. Before 6B we should know some more things, so let's start. So first of all, before your 6B, let's come to this theoretical portion. Excuse me students. Sieve of Eratosthenes. So let's see what is this. First of all, you have to write the number 1 to 50. You have to start writing it from 1 to 50. You have to write. One to 50. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This way to write up till 50. Then we can do this. Okay, now let's write 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now this is a complete table. Now in this table, what you have to do, first step, you come to this page number 42. See, the first step here written, cross 1 since 1 is not a prime. So first of all, first step is to cross 1. We will cut off this 1, okay, as it is not a prime. Now you have to encircle 2 and cross out all the number divisible by 2. We will encircle 2 and cross out all the numbers. You see the steps? Encircle 2 and cross out all the number divisible by 2, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, those the numbers which are divisible by 2 after after your first step, cross 1, and since 1 is not a prime, we have first of all we have to cross 1, then we have to encircle 2 and cross out all the number which is divisible by 2. So 10, then 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, then your 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So the second step is done. Now third, encircle 3 and cross out all the number divisible by 3. So first of all, now we will encircle 3 and then we will cross out all the number that are divisible by your 3. So already 6 is this we have got down, 9, 12 is done, 15, 18 is done, 21, 24 is done, 27, 29, 30 is done, then your 33, then your 36 done, 39, 41 is done, 42, 45, then your nothing else. Now encircle 5 and cross out all the number divisible by 5. Encircle, we have to encircle this 5 and cross out all the number divisible by 5. Then 10 is already 20, 15, 20, 25. We have to cross this. 30, 35. We have to cross this. 40, 45 already done. 50. It's already done. Now cross out 5 and continue in the same manner. Okay. Now you see the rest of the numbers. You are seeing that 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, but this 7 in 7 table 49 goes, so we will cut it here. So you see this, therefore 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So these all numbers are your prime numbers. These are the numbers are all prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 50? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 4, 8, 10, 15. So there are all total 15. Okay, so this is the way how to find out the prime number. If you don't know if you are unable to find the prime numbers, then you may find out by this way. First of all, we have to write this 1 to 50, then we have to cross first 1 and then we have to encircle 2. Why we are crossing 1? Because 1 is not a prime number, so we are directly crossing 1. Then we have to encircle 2 and we have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 2. After that we have to again encircle 3 and we have to cross all the numbers that are your divisible by your 2. Then we have to encircle 3, then we have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 3. Then again 5, all the numbers that are divisible by 5. Then 7, all the numbers that are divisible by 7. In 7 you are seeing that all the number already been cut, only 49 was left. So 49 last. For we have crossed the 41 and then we found the numbers. These are all prime. Now next is your divisibility rule. Very important. This you will need throughout your life. It is a very important thing that will help you to find the number which are divisible. So first one is by 2. Divisibility rule by 2. Number is your divisible by 2 if its last digit or unit digit is even number, is an even number. means the example is your 2 4 6 8 dot dot dot. So the last number or the unit digit in the last digit or the unit digit will be even number, that will be your either 2 4 6 or 8 if it is so, and also 0 also. So 0 2 4 6 8, this 5, if the number ends with this all any of these 5 number, then the number is divisible by your 2. Okay, now let's find tell now divisibility by 3. Divisibility by your 3, number 2 by 3. A number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Like example, the number is given 3 2 4. Now we have to check this way. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 2 4, 5 5 plus 9, so 9. 9 is 9, it is divisible by 3. So 3 to 4 is also divisible by your 3. As by adding this number, adding the digits 3 plus 2 plus 4, we are getting 9. So when it is divisible by 3, so therefore your 3 to 4 is also divisible by 3. I haven't given an example in last one, so let me give you an example. The number is these are the number which will go. Example will be your like 38. This 8 is even number, so it will divisible by 2. 4 7 8, your 8, this 8 is divisible any number, it may be 4 3 2. A big number you may 4 7 6 0 1 2 4. The last number is 4, so it will divisible by 4. Last number 4 is your even number, so it will divisible by 4. Now next, your divisibility by 4. By your 4. In this case, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit are either 0 0 or is the multiple of 4. So as for example 4 8 2. Now the last two is 82. Now let's check, 82 is divisible by 4. No, so this is not divisible. This 482 will also not divisible, but this number is like 500, then it will divisible by your 4, as the last two is 00. If the number is your 952, this 52 is divisible by 4, so it will be 952 is also divisible. This is not divisible. 482 is not divisible by your 4, but it will divisible by 2 as the last number is even, but not divisible. These two will be divisible. Okay, one more example, like 67442. So the last two is 42. 42 is divisible by 4. Is it divisible? No. So the total whole number will not divisible. But in other case, 67444, this 44 is divisible by 4, so total number is divisible. So this it is divisible, by 4, or it is not divisible. Okay, now next, your now divisible by your 5. Yes, you're right in a copy. I told you at first. Aditya, what you're saying? No, sir. Who can't follow me? Please tell me. Then I will repeat it once more. If the divisibility rule is not clear to you, you can tell me. Achha, now by 5, a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit or the unit digit is 0 or your 5. Example, 505, 6000, 7005, 184005. These all numbers are divisible by your 5. Okay. Number 5, by 6, a number Zadite, if you have any problem, you may say. I will clear all your doubt. Okay. Now, a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and as well as your 3. So the number must be divisible by 2 as well as 3, then the number will divisible by 6. For example, your 18, this 18, first of all you check the divisibility by 2. Last digit or the unit digit is 8, it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Now by 3, add it up. 1 plus 8 equal to 9, so it is divisible by 3. So 18 is divisible by 3, therefore 18 is divisible by 2 and also by 3, so it is divisible. so it is divisible by your 6. Clear? So this is the rule. So for 6 we have to check the number must be divisible by 2 as well as 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and then also divisible by 3, then only it will be divisible by your 6. Next, let's go next number, that is by your 9, divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. For example, your 9 to 7. So let's sum out. 9 plus 2 plus 7. 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18. So 18. It is divisible by 9. So 9 to 7 is also divisible by 9. Clear? This is the total concept. Now the last one, divisibility by your 10. I will repeat this once more, you don't take tension. Yes, buffering is because of your network problem, dear, that we can't help. Okay, you can see once more the class. You can also do the class later. If you are facing such problem, you can do it later. Okay. Now divisibility by 10. If a number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place or unit place or your last digit is 0. For example, 20, 80, 1000, 6000, 19 lakh, so 19 lakh, all this number last, as it is at the last there is 0, so it will be divisible by your 10. So this is the total thing. Today this theoretical portion is done. Next class we will do your exercise. Okay, and then we have your HCF and your multiples, common multiples. HCF, long division method, and it's very easy. Oh, there are 2 exercises, we can complete it in one day. There are 3 exercises. LCM is also there at last, so we complete it. But today I will revise this once more with you, that whatever we have done today. Sieve of Eratosthenes is like this way. You can take out your prime numbers, find out the prime numbers. First of all, you have to write 1 to 50, then you have to cross number 1 as 1 is not prime, then you have to encircle 2 and you have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 2. Completed. Up till 50, all the numbers that are divisible by 2, you have to cross it. Next you have to encircle 3 and you have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 3. Same way you have to encircle 5 and you have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 5. Then you have to encircle 7 and you have to cross all the numbers that are divisible by 7. Okay, if you do this, then only each and every part will be completed, and then the rest out the numbers which are here to encircle it, these all are your prime numbers. Next, divisibility rule. How can you say that this number is divisible by 2? If the last digit or the unit digit of a number is even number, either 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by your 2, like 38, 488, 432, 4760, 124. Next, by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, like 3, 2, 4. Add it up. Sum of the digit means you add the numbers. 3 plus 2 plus 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 to 4 is also divisible by your 3. Okay. Next, number 3, by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are 0 0 or is a multiple of 4, like 482. This is not divisible. 6 7 4 4 4 2. See, 42 is not divisible, so it is not divisible. 82 is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible. But 500, 952, these are all divisible. Okay. 6 7 4 4 4 4 is divisible by 4. Okay, this is the divisible by 4. 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit or the unit digit is 0 or 5, like 505, last digit is 5. Mark out the last digits. 0 5 5. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and as well as 3, so it will be divisible by your 6. 18 divisible by 2, also 8 plus 1 9, it is also divisible by 3, so 18 is divisible by your both 2 and 3, so it will be divisible by your 6 also. Number 9, by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, like 9 to 7. Let's add the number. 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9, so therefore 9 to 7 is also divisible by your 9. Okay. Now the last one, that is divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its one place or unit place, means last digit, is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place or unit place when last digit is 0, like 20 last digit is 0, 80 last is 0, 1000 last is 0, 6000 last one is 0, then your 19 lakh last one is 0. So these are the cases where we have to see that how to find out the divisible rule. So this rule you have to go through and you have to keep up in your mind. This will help you out to do division easily. Okay. So thank you students, please go through it. In next Monday we will go through this exercise 6b and we will also start your HCF. Okay students, thank you, be safe and study properly.